Hello, my name is Louise and I'm a midwife.
Hello, my name is Heidi.
I understand you've been dealing with some pain. Would you tell me more about your pain?
Yes, I'm coming because I've had this pelvic pain during the last month, I think.
Oh, that's not nice. Can you tell me, is it a constant pain or can you tell me more about them?
Yeah, I think the pain is getting more severe during the day. So in the morning, it's okay, but in during the day and when I get back from work and when I get home, it's very frustrating because I can't barely walk when I get home, and it's very frustrating because I can't play with my son, and I can't hardly do any housework, and yeah, I almost always lay on the couch.
Oh, first and foremost, we need to figure out how we can prevent your pelvic pain. Together, we need to find a way to manage the pain you're experiencing. At the same time, we should also address that you've been dealing with this pain for some time now, it seems like, and that it seems to be worsening throughout the day. We'll have to talk about what we can do to reduce the pain and find a way to manage your daily life without feeling unable to do the things you want to do. So together we'll talk about the condition and factors related to your life that might negatively or positively influence the pain. Maybe we can try to identify what specifically triggers your pain and which activities or part of your day you could do without the pain arising, or what activities worsen your pain. And then maybe set some goals together. These goals can help you manage your pain throughout the day. Have you ever tried monitoring your daily activities and your pain?
No, I haven't.
No. Then I suggest we start there, as it can provide insight and perspective on your situation. Hopefully, it can identify what challenges your daily life, but also highlight what you can still do as you could before. I still fully understand that your situation is challenging. Have you told your family or your colleagues about what you're experiencing?
No, I've kept it to myself.
Okay. Because it might be worth considering if we can do some adjustments maybe at your workplace to reduce the pain you're experiencing at work. If there's any tasks you could avoid doing, or maybe you could do them differently. But at the same time, I also think we should talk about how to make your private life more manageable. Could your partner help ease your load, or could you get some help from outside? Maybe some cleaning services that might be because cleaning might be one of the activities that worsen your pain. Or perhaps you have some grandparents who can help with your son, so you can manage your daily life better.
Yeah, that would be really nice if we could do that.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, I think I need help to realize what to do.
Yeah.
Welcome. My name is Anne-Marie and I'm an occupational therapist.
Hello, my name is Sanne.
I understand that you have been dealing with some pain in your hands related to your arthritis condition. Would you like to talk to me about your experience about that?
Yes, it's because I've been having some pain in the past 6 years.
Yeah.
I have pain every day, and I get drained throughout the day.
Yeah.
And I drained all the day now. I experience pain when I cook, when I clean, when I go grocerying and shopping and things like that.
Yeah.
My hands hurt so much
Yeah.
that I can't. I try to propose everyday task. And also start dropping things.
Yeah.
My grip on objects has gotten weaker.
Okay.
And the pain is worse in the morning. I can barely use my hands
Okay.
in the morning, but after an hour or something like that, it's get better.
It gets better.
Yeah.
Yeah. First, I think we should talk about how you can manage your pain in the mornings and probably conserve your energy through the day so that you won't experience pain the day after you have been working with some physical activities. And I think you need to learn to handle your energy and pain through your everyday activities. Pain and tiredness affect both your well-being and also your social life. So together we could talk about the condition and facts related to your life that might influence your pain, both negative and positive. Have you tried monitoring your pain in everyday life activities?
No, not at all.
No.
No.
Maybe we could start there. Focus on gaining insight and perspectives on your situation and identify what might affect your well-being and cause your pain. And I fully understand that your situation is very difficult and many other faces the same issue when it comes to pain and tiredness. Is your family aware what you experience about pain in the mornings and that you get very quickly tired when you're performing physical activities?
No, I haven't talked about that
No.
with them.
Have you maybe considered talking to your family about delegating some of your tasks to them so you don't get overburdened?
No.
No. You could speak to an occupational therapist about assistive technology as well and how to use them in your home, in your work in the kitchen as well. Especially getting control over your daily task and choosing what you would prefer to spend your energy on could be a very good start for you, I think.
Yeah. I will try that.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm a physiotherapist.
Hello, my name is Ingrid.
Welcome, Ingrid. I understand you've been dealing with some pain.
Yes,
Would you like to tell me about your experiences?
yes. It's because I've been having headaches for the last 5 years. now.
Yeah.
And the headache has become more severe nowadays. So I have pain on a daily level now.
Hmm?
And most often in the evenings, the headache influences my sleep,
Okay.
my well-being, and my social life.
Okay, your social life as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. First, I think we should talk about how we can reduce the impact of the headache on your sleep quality, because sleep quality is important.
Yes. Yeah.
So together, we need to figure out how you can manage your pain and the experience that you are having today related to the headaches. But we also need to address the increase in severity of the pain you're experiencing because it has become more severe. And this ongoing problem, which now has progressed, we need to halt that progression so it becomes back to what used to be the normal level. But I'm sure that we can make this work and positively influence both your well-being and your social life as well. So together we will talk about the condition, factors related to your life that might influence the pain both positively but also in a negatively direction. But I will not lie to you, your ability to make necessary changes and take the required steps to address both the increase in severity of the pain and the disturbances of your sleep is very vital to success. But together we will work towards defining goals, and I think we will be successful. Have you tried monitoring some parts of your life?
Yes, I have tried that before. Yes.
Okay. I think we should monitor parts of your daily life, pain, and also your sleep quality for a period. Maybe we could begin there because then we can focus on gaining some insight on important aspects on your situation, and we might be able to identify what challenges your well-being and what provokes your pain, and thereby is part of the reason for this progression in severity that you are experiencing. I fully understand that your situation can be challenging and you are not alone. We are in this together. But have you told your family about what you are experiencing?
Yes, I told my husband about it.
Okay. I think it helps to talk about it. So that's an important part. It's a necessary and important step that you have taken. Another issue could also be to consider if you could get some actual help, for example, around the house. It doesn't have to be every single day, just 1 or 2 times a week to begin with, because sometimes that makes a huge difference in the beginning. It could be asking some of your relatives, maybe your husband, to help with grocery shopping, but maybe, if possible, even sometime paid help for a short period of time could be something that could be a nice part to introduce into this situation that you're in. And it can be related to everything: gardening, cleaning, walking the dog, just to take some of the pressure off you for a period. But we can together consider what makes the most sense when we work together related to the pain you're experiencing. First off, to start with, I have a mobile application that I would like to show you as part of what we are going to work with together.
That's nice.